guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change photos on templates in a Canva. So go to templates here and select the template that you want to use. There's a lot of templates that you can basically select from. Let's see, which one do I want to use? I'm just gonna type in like scrapbook or something here in templates, and I'm going to select this one. Select it, select customize this template, and to change the photo, you are just going to select a photo from your files, drag it and place it to Canva, and here I'm just going to remove that, cut it, select your image and select the place that you want to replace, and you can add the overlay on top again. I just basically cut it and then place it back. If there's like textures, you can also like move it back or lock it, I think, so that you can add more stuff here to the picture. I think it's easier to just remove it first, and then you can add in some pictures. But yeah, that is pretty much how you can replace photos in Canva templates. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.